So it's time to make some hors d'oeuvres. We've got some large, I think they're medjool dates that are pitted, and they're already split on the sides. We're going to take a single almond, put that in there, and then we're going to try to stuff it. It says with a mild blue cheese, so we found some of that at the grocery store. And we don't need a crazy amount, about half a tablespoon or so. And then we're just going to kind of close that up. And now what we've done is we've taken some bacon and we've sliced it kind of down the middle the long way. And really, we're just going to wrap this guy and then secure him with a toothpick. And then once we're done, we're going to cook them in a hot oven until the bacon itself is fully cooked, and we'll secure this guy with a toothpick. There we go. So we got one done and 17 more to go. All right, so 425 until the bacon's cooked. So I don't know, 7-10 minutes. Okay, so Guy Gourmet bacon wrapped dates. It's a lot. Brilliant. Sugary, salty, and actually baking it, the mild blue cheese, I almost pick up no blue cheese flavor, just that creaminess in the center with the hard crunch of the almond. So yeah, this is an awesome hors d'oeuvre to serve up. So give it a try. And like I said, Guy's Gourmet, and we'll see what comes up next week.